Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy's Space. So today we are making Alfredo sauce with shrimps in it. So I'm showing you guys a very quick meal that you can create in no time without spending so long in the kitchen. So my name is Ivy. I make videos on cooking and cleaning and home decor and shopping. Please push the subscribe button down below if you have not subscribed yet. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. And as I mentioned previously, we are making Alfredo sauce with shrimps. This is a very quick meal that you can create in no time. So the only ingredients you will need is pasta, shrimps. Make sure your shrimps are clean and washed properly. Alfredo sauce. I use the classical Alfredo sauce and some, what is it called, Maggi, some diced vegetables. You can use any vegetable of your choice. I usually use broccoli because I didn't have broccoli at home, so I'm using some green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, and orange pepper. So any vegetable that you want to add to it, you can do that. So what I'm doing is I'm just boiling my spaghetti. I'm using spaghetti today. You can use any pasta of your choice, but I love spaghetti, so I'm using spaghetti today. And I did not break the spaghetti because you don't want to offend people. So I put all the spaghetti in, and I'm putting a separate pot in the on the stove, and I'm adding a tiny bit of oil to it, and I'm just going to go ahead to add my onions and garlic paste to that mix, and then I'm going to let it fry for a little bit. I don't put the scotch bonnet in because if you put that in, it's going to burn. Like your nose will be burning. So I tend to put the scotch pepper in later on. So what I did, I just put that onion, garlic paste, some Maggi, and a hint of salt, just a little salt. Let that fry a little bit, just a little bit, for it to be brown. And then you're going to go ahead and add your shrimps to it, and your see, this is the shrimps all washed and clean. I wash my shrimps with a hint of lemon, just to give it that, I don't know, I just love washing my shrimps and chicken with lemon. And I went ahead to add some chili flakes to it, and I'm going to turn that around a little bit and fry that a little bit, and then I add my scotch bonnet to it. I like my food spicy. My kids are very used to spicy food as well, so I add more scotch bonnet to it. Even after that chili flakes, I end up still adding scotch bonnet to it. So I love spicy food, as I mentioned before. That is optional. You don't have to add the scotch bonnet to it. You don't have to add the chili flakes to it. You can just add black pepper depending how spicy you like your food. You don't have to add any spice to it. So I'm going ahead and add my Alfredo sauce to this mix after like frying for a little bit. You want to make sure that the stove is not so high. You want to turn the temperature down because it's going to be everywhere. Like, your kitchen is going to be so messy. So you want to turn the heat down a little bit on the stove and stir that in. And I end up adding my cut out vegetable. As I mentioned before, you can use any vegetable of your choice. And yes, look at my pasta is almost done. I'm taking some of that pasta not sauce water, and I'm using it to like take the rest of the Alfredo sauce that is in the jar out and pour it in there, and add some, just taste it to see if it's to your taste. If you need to add some more of the seasoning stuff into it, for me, I end up adding garlic powder to it and some more chili flakes because I like my food spicy. And yeah, that is how I make the sauce. After that, I just let them cook for a while, like about 3-4 minutes. Let's just say max 5 minutes, and your Alfredo sauce will be ready. and I went ahead to drain the spaghetti. The spaghetti was not so soft because I don't really like soft spaghetti. So I just drained that out. I added oil to my spaghetti when I'm boiling it so that it doesn't stick together. And yeah, I add oil to it. And I went ahead to mix the spaghetti sauce. I mean the Alfredo sauce with the spaghetti. Oh my goodness, guys, this was so yummy. This was delicious. It was on I made this dinner on a Sunday night because I was craving some spaghetti. Like I was craving. I wasn't planning to eat anything after 9 o'clock, but that night I was craving something. I'm like, okay, let me just quickly make this delicious, quick pasta and just call it a day. So I end up having that with the wine, Moscato or whatever that wine is called. Please, 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 please don't come for me when it comes to pronunciation. Please don't come for me. And I end up serving that with wine. And because I'm not a wine drinker, I'm just trying it out. And the wine is not sweet enough for me. I end up mixing that with the skinny girl syrup that I got from Winners, and it was delicious, guys. Oh my goodness, the two mixture was so good, and this is what I end up having for dinner, like a late night dinner. Guys, I will not advise you to do this if you don't want to pound on the weight, but you know what, I was craving it and I did it. And yeah, that was all about this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this far, and I will see you guys on my next video.